All right, friends, if you're watching this video, that means you have already done your morning work by yourself. So you've gone through and you've done everything you can do by yourself and you've tried your best. Now it's time to do it together. So our sight word of the day is the word of. So we need to say the word of. We need to trace the word of. And then we need to write the word of. Look at my O. My O does not cross that middle line. Now we need to put it inside the sentence. The sentence says, is this one, your toys? Is this one of your toys? Good. So fill in the sight word of the day inside that sentence. Now this sentence says, school is fun. And we have to fix it because they left out something at the beginning of the sentence and the end of the sentence. Do you know what they forgot? If you said a capital letter at the beginning and an end mark at the end, you are right. Now I said school is fun, so I'm going to put an exclamation mark. But if you just said school is fun, you would put a period at the end. Now this box says write your last name, so I'm going to write my name. But first graders, you all have different names, so you're not going to write Knobloch. You are going to write your last name. This box says write the number word. Well, first graders, before we can write the number word, we have to know what number it is. What number is that? Yes, you're right, it's 6. Oh, I want you to listen to how I say that word. S-I-X. So I need to write out letters that make those sounds. S-I-X. 6. S-I-X. Now we need to go through and do our addition facts. 1 plus 6 equals 7. 5 plus 0 equals 5. 3 plus 1 equals 4. And our last one, 1 plus 2 equals how many? Right, 3. Good, so those are our addition facts. Now this one asks us a question. It says, what letter does this picture start with? Well, first graders, before we can answer that question, we have to know what the picture's of. So what is that a picture of? Yeah, it's a fish, and fish. So I know that F says f, and fish starts with f. All right. Oh, my favorite kind of math problems. Okay, so this story problem says, I have 2 blue crayons and 2 red crayons. How many crayons do I have all together? And first graders, I'm going to circle that word all together because that tells me I'm going to add. So I'm going to draw a picture of my 2 blue crayons and my 2 red crayons because I really want to see what the words are telling me. I want to be able to see the information. So I have my 2 blue plus 2 red, and I have 4 all together. Like I said in the last video, today is Tuesday, August 25th, 2020. Now I'm going to stay on this slide for a couple seconds. That way you can make sure that you have all that information written down. Today is Tuesday, August 25th, 2020. All right, go ahead and flip your sheet over and you will see our word of the day again, which our word of the day is of. Do you remember that? So we're going to read the word of the day 10 times. Ready? Of, halfway there. You're going to go all the way to 10. Then we're going to do the same thing for the sentence. It says read the sentence 10 times. Can I have one of those? 1. Can I have one of those? 2. You're going to keep reading it and keep marking tallies until you get to 10. All right, first graders, I hope you did your morning work, and if you have any questions, don't forget you can ask me on Seesaw.